If you keep getting Band 6 in IELTS speaking, it's probably not your English level. These are 3 Band 7 killers that examiners hear every day, and today I'll show you exactly how to fix them so you sound Band 7 ready. Section 1. Why candidates get Band 6 is because answers sound memorized, vocabulary sounds basic, speaking lacks natural flow. For example, I like my hometown because it is very good and very beautiful. Section 2. Mistake number 1, short, safe answers. The problem: candidates answer like a test, not a conversation. For example, the examiner asks, "Do you like traveling?" The candidate answers, "Yes, I like traveling." The fix for a Band 7 upgrade? Yes, definitely. I enjoy traveling because it helps me relax and experience different cultures. The formula: answer, reason, small detail. Section 3. Mistake number 2. Overusing basic words. Don't say very good. Instead, say excellent, effective, impressive, very big. Say massive, huge, enormous. Remember, Band 7 is natural vocabulary, not complicated vocabulary. Section 4. Mistake number 3, sounding robotic. Candidates sound like reading from memory. Examiners want natural rhythm. For example, candidates sound flat. I usually spend my free time watching TV. You need to sound natural. I usually spend my free time watching TV or just relaxing at home. Small pauses. Stress important words. Sound conversational. Section 5. Let's take one weak answer. My hometown is good because people are friendly. Band 6. The Band 7 upgrade. I'd say my hometown is quite friendly because people tend to know each other, so it feels very welcoming. Section 6. Quick practice challenge. Pause the video now and answer this question. Describe your hometown. Use the formula I showed you. If you want Band 7 speaking, don't memorize answers. Upgrade how you speak. Comment below. Band 7. And I'll know you're serious about improving. Subscribe to IELTS Education 25.